Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas High School. This video is on the maths of class 8, lesson number 3. Let us start exercise 3.1. And that question number 4, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of angles deduced from that. Figures are given. And here we have to find out what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with the number of sides. You have to find out the sum of angles. So one general formula is there. The angle sum of polygon having side n, that is a common, n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n, this n is equal to number of sides. For example, triangle is there, then how many sides are there? 1, 2 and 3. So n is equal to 3. If square is there, then 4 sides are there, so n is equal to 4. If this pentagon is there, okay, then 5 sides are there, okay, 5 sides, so n is equal to 5. That you have to put in this equation, okay. First one, n is equal to 7. 7, that is a number of sides, and number of sides we are saying it is a n. Thus angle sum is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is equal to 7. So here you can write 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and 180 degree. So 18 5s are 90. So it is a 900 degree. So when the number of sides are 7, then angle will be 900 degree. Sum of all angles, not only one. N is equal to 8. Angle sum, 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. 8 minus 2 is equal to 60 and 180 degree. 18 6 are 108. So it is a 1080 degree. N is equal to 10. So 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 into 180 degree. So answer is 1440 degree. N is equal to n. So this is only the answer, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Question number 5. What is a regular polygon? State the name of regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, 6 sides. Regular polygon. What is the meaning of regular polygon? A polygon having sides of equal length and angles of equal measures is called regular polygon. For example, equilateral triangle. All 3 sides are same and all the angles also same. It is known as a regular triangle. Square. In square you can see all 4 sides are same and all 4 angles also same. So it is a regular polygon. These are the examples of regular polygon. A regular polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. So all sides are same and all angles are same. When 3 sides are there, then what is the name of that polygon? It is a triangle. 4 sides, then square, and 6 sides, then it is a hexagon. Question number 6. Find the angles measured x in the following figures. Some figures are given. Find the measurement of this angle. This is the first one. You can check the figure. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So it means it is a quadrilateral. And sum of angle of all the measures, it is a 360 degree. Sum of measurement of all angles, it is a 360 degree. So fourth angle we have to find out. So what we can write? The figure is having 4 sides, hence it is a quadrilateral, and sum of angles of all the angles, sum of the angles, it is equal to 360 degree. So total 4 angles are there. Out of 4 angles, 3 angles given here, 50, 130, 120 and x. So what you have to write? 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of 50, 130 and 120, it is a 300 plus x is equal to 360 degree. You want the value of x. Again solve the equation, previous lesson you can remember. So x is equal to 360 minus 300. So x is equal to 60 degree. Second one, how many sides are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to find out value of x. Here you will see that 2 angles only given. No, here 3 angles given. This is a 90 degree. Okay. So here also it will be a 90 degree. So you can write this is the 90 degree. So what are the all 3 angles? 70, 60, 90 and x. The figure is having 4 sides, hence it is a quadrilateral. Also one side is perpendicular forming the right angle. So sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So you can remember the figure. It was like that. This is not, it is here 5 sides I have drawn. So this is the figure. Here it is 90 degree, this is the x, here something 70 degree and here something 60 degree. Okay. So 90 plus 70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of 90 plus 70 plus 60, 220 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 220 is equal to 140. C. The figure is having 5 sides, hence it is a pentagon. You can see the figure. This is the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides are there. And here it is a x. You have to find out the value of x. Let's see how to find. You can see first line. Sum of angles of pentagon 540 degree. In triangle it is 180, in quadrilateral it is a 360 and pentagon then you must have to remember it is a 540 degree. Or else you can find out through this formula also n minus 2 into 180 degree when n is equal to 5. Okay. So 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into 180. So 180 into 3 is equal to 540 degree. So that's also you can find out if you don't remember. 2 angles at the bottom are linear pair. Which 2 angles? These 2. Both are the linear pair. Here one line is there, here 2 angles are given. So these 2 angles we can say it is in a linear pair. And in the linear pair, sum of 2 angles are 180 degree. So you can see this angle is 70. This is 70 degree. So this will be 180 minus 70. So it is a 110. And here 60. So 180 minus 60, this angle is 120 degree. Now sum of all angles 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x is equal to 540 degree. Let's see. 30 plus x plus 120 plus 110 plus x is equal to 540 degree. These angles you have to consider. So 30 plus 110 plus 120 is equal to 260 degree. X plus x is equal to 2x. So 260 plus 2x is equal to 540. So 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. So x is equal to 2x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 divided by 2 is equal to 140 degree. Next, fourth one. Here it is given fourth figure. So remaining examples we will see in the next video.